Welcome to our video on the differences between chat and messaging. With Zendesk, you can have conversational experiences with your customers across these channels, including web, mobile, or also social apps. It's easy to automate right out of the box, and you can customize it with our open and flexible platform. When discussing the differences between chat and messaging, it's important to consider the type of experience you would like to offer your customers. For example, chat offers a session-based experience, which means that the interaction with your customers will be one and done and on to the next. Customers would be unable to access their chat history with your agents unless it's provided by the agent through an email transcript. And a lot of automation and rich messaging requires back-end development. With Zendesk Chat, your agents will be providing a simple, one-and-done chat experience to your customers, meaning it's easy for your agents to focus on one chat experience at a time and then quickly shift to the next customer. However, this also means that if a customer has a follow-up to the conversation or their web widget accidentally closes, they'll have to re-enter the chat queue and wait to be reconnected with an agent. On the other hand, messaging offers both asynchronous and session-based conversational experiences. With messaging, your conversations are continuous, meaning your customers can refer back to previous conversations with you and your team. Additionally, automation and rich messaging is foundational to the development of messaging, meaning it's simple to get it up and running. Finally, Zendesk Messaging supports a continuous conversation flow for both your agents and your customers. This means that if a customer has to follow up on a conversation, or if the customer gets disconnected, you can easily pick things back up where you left them, providing a better experience for everyone, your team, and customer included. While these two platforms can appear to be pretty similar, messaging brings many new capabilities that live chat does not offer. While there is a small set of features that exist in live chat today that are not yet available with messaging, they will be available in the future. Some of the key benefits of messaging include conversational persistence, meaning that there is added flexibility, offering the ability to have both session-based conversations as well as ongoing persistent chats. This conversation history is always available, so agents and customers can get context of past questions and actions taken. Customers therefore won't need to repeat or re-identify themselves, and agents won't waste time collecting the same information or suggesting the same solutions that did not work previously. Messaging also offers new bot building capabilities to your web, mobile, and social channels, no coding required. With Flow Builder, you can give your customers options to choose from and guide them to answers based on their individual needs, whether that be through a knowledge base article or an agent's hands-on support. Messaging also allows for a refreshed experience for agents that allow them to deliver seamless support without switching between dashboards or having customers repeat information. Agents can easily go between communication channels, access context within the ticket, and update tickets seamlessly. This is a critical part in true agent efficiency. Additionally, messaging is an out-of-the-box solution, meaning that no coding is required to start using the tool. And finally, it's easy to manage multiple channels within this one platform, specifically your web, mobile, and social media channels. In 2020, of the 40% of companies surveyed that added a new channel for the customers, 53% turned to messaging, enabling them to provide support across multiple channels and better the customer experience for their end users. More and more, customers are expecting accessibility and simplicity when working with the businesses they support, and messaging is one of the best ways to do so in your Zendesk environment. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.